Okay, folks, a little video here. There's some big heron birds over there. Because it rained recently, and they're always over there hunting, looking for frogs, toads, worms, and whatever else. She's over here spotting them. Should I let her out? See what she does? I don't know, Cat. Those birds are big. They'll probably whip your ass. Let's see what she does. Okay, get rid of that pile of mud sitting there. I don't know how to zoom out of the camera. What are you meowing at? Afraid to go out there? Yeah, you got a problem taking some little finch or a robin or some other small bird. You see these big prehistoric looking things, and you ain't going nowhere, are you? Scaredy cat. One time it flooded back here. It was like a little pond. There were about 7 or 8 of them things. Eating everything in sight. You see it just clucking around, grabbing stuff off the ground. Alright, I guess that's it. Not going out, are you? Thought not, scaredy cat. Oh. She is going after him. She won't catch him, though. You'll see her coming a mile away and fly off. Yeah, see? Well, there it is. I thought I was going to dive bomb her. Man, you might come sneaking up on us. Oh, landed over there. It's hard to see. There's like 3 or 4 more over there. She ain't gonna do nothing. Especially when there's 4 of them, they'll probably start, turn this into like an Alfred Hitchcock to birds and start attacking her. Get away with them birds, cat. Yeah, you. Get over here. Probably shouldn't have let her out, but yeah, all right. I thought that was pretty funny. All right, buddy. Have a good night. Bye.